Namaste.
Namaste.
I'm Madhuri Yadav.
I'm Mittal Das.
I am Priya Dhabnath.
I'm Ayushi Dev.
I'm Abhiraj Sarai.
We are from Model Higher Secondary School. And today our topic is use of Bonjamid, Glycosaminous pentaphyla, and Curci Hallarina antidysentrica for controlling the infection of parasitic roundworms in humans and plants by the tribals of Tripura. Tripura is a state located in northeastern corner of India. It is surrounded by Mizoram and Assam in the northern part and by Bangladesh in western and southeastern part. This state has a high biodiversity of many medicinal plants. These medicinal plants are found in deep forest, urban areas and also in hilly regions. The tribals of Tripura are very well aware of such medicinal plants and they use them.
The tribal peoples collect the plants to use their leaves, flowers, root and shoot parts for different ailments. In Tripura, there are many endemic plants which are used in the reason for the cause of roundworms which causes the human beings and on the roots of different plants. The study is done for the highlight of such two plants like tea and coffee.
Roundworms like Ascaris lumbricoides and pinworms and the common parasitic nematodes that infect human beings are also controlled by these plants' products.
Two such plants are Glycosaminous pentaphyla and Hallarina antidysentrica.
Glycosaminous pentaphyla. This plant is commonly known as Bonjamid and it belongs to family Lutaceae. The carbazole alkaloids are natural products of indole alkaloid type derived from carbazole.
All the parts of these Glycosaminous pentaphyla plants, including the leaves, fruits, stem, roots, and bark, are used in various traditional medicines and as food.
Glycosaminous contains many anti-helminthic properties which support plants' traditional use for treating worm infestations.
Hallarina antidysenterica. Its common name is Curci. Its family belongs from Apocynaceae. Hallarina antidysenterica is a deciduous shrub or small tree with significant medicinal properties, especially for dysentery, and is traditionally used to control intestinal worms. Its antiworm properties are attributed to the steroidal alkaloids found in its bark and seeds.
So, how to use it? Generally, the leaves of these plants are washed with clean water and the extract is done from them. The extract can be given to the human beings to drink or on the top of the soil on plants like tea or other plants.
Sometimes the leaves of these plants are mixed in soil and then plantation is done.
Now, modes of action. It has been found that the mortality rate of plant parasitic nematodes depends upon the concentration of extract used. For example, in case of root knot nematodes, application of glycosaminous extract 20% of 98.11% mortality when leaves are used directly on the root surface. Similarly, the bark extract of Hallarina antidysenterica with the concentration of 20% shows 84.27% mortality on root knot nematodes.
To conclude, we can use these two plants to treat infections caused by roundworms.
Thank you.